Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Today, I have 3 tales to share with you. The first one comes from the Crypto Basic and it's captioned, "Here's how much higher XRP may grow with just 1% of crypto's $1.56 trillion market value." I felt it would be a good opportunity to highlight how minimal the infusion of capital into XRP is, which is why I wanted to write about it. For more than 6 years, I have been an XRP believer with complete faith, and there is a reason why XRP can effortlessly soar into the clouds. It is my sincere belief that this is an opportunity that will lead to immense wealth for me and many of you who are listening. There is some uncertainty, and it's not like something bad might happen. Cryptocurrency investments in particular carry a high degree of risk. However, I am convinced that this chance is genuine. Because there is so little value in XRP, even a little amount of blue bits can cause its price to skyrocket. Also, this major data indicates a 42% increase in XRP payments to businesses throughout the world. I find that really wonderful, for the simple reason that XRP's long-term viability is directly proportional to the number of applications for it. This is something more that came up in the Daily Huddle. Although I haven't had the opportunity to speak with you about this news, which broke a few days ago, I still want to address it in this video because it isn't special to XRP. It is really absurd. A hacker allegedly utilized a SIM swap to get access to regulators' X account and then made a bogus notification about the approval of a Bitcoin ETF. You may remember that on January 9, the market surged before swiftly falling due to a false permission from the official SEC account on X, previously known as Twitter, claiming that spot Bitcoin ETFs had been authorized. Afterwards, the day after that, he received the final permission. What, therefore, went wrong here? Well, it appears that the SEC is not just a group of scumbags, but they are also complete dimwits. I should preface this by saying that I come from absolutely no financial background. Do not put your money where your mouth is, or base a purchase decision on anything I say or write. I am not a financial advisor. As a pastime and for pleasure, I love producing films on YouTube regarding crypto-related subjects. I'm simply an enthusiast. Starting with the original title, "Here's how much higher XRP could rise with just 1% of crypto's $1.56 trillion market cap," we go on to the first item. Textbooks, it's clear that we won't require that much. We can reach new heights without a massive influx of capital. What matters is that the markets be hot, which is why being here now is so exciting. There's a good possibility it's likely that the majority of people believe that we are about to enter the Bitcoin zoom, and that the cryptocurrency will reach a new all-time high, even if it takes a little longer than expected. Without Bitcoin achieving that, I have serious doubts that XRP will reach its potential, but if it does, I just cannot see it not reaching the new all-time high of Bitcoins. However, the following is the way the piece reads. A 55% return might be in store for XRP holders if the cryptocurrency market captures an additional 1% of the $1.56 trillion market. On the cryptocurrency market, one XRP coin is worth a pitiful 51 cents. I can see that it's a little higher right now, but at least there was a rise today. Regardless, this number represents a decline of 6.16% from its most recent 77-day high of 55 cents. With this market worth, with a $27.93 billion portion of the global crypto market's $1.56 trillion worth of assets, XRP is the 6th most valuable cryptocurrency. Take XRP, for example. Its market cap suggests it controls around 1.79% of the whole cryptocurrency market. The issue of how much more valuable XRP will be if it captures an extra 1% of the $1.56 trillion market cap thus becomes an intriguing one. Notably, XRP is valued at $27.9 billion, while a 1% stake in $1.56 trillion equals $15.6 billion. With a 1% increase, XRP's market share would reach a hefty $43.53 billion. This sum is comparable to BNB Biden's current market value, which is $297. Therefore, I will skip reading the entire post. I mean, even if you only owned 1% of this, you could still think about adding that market cap. If XRP were to reach $1, it would be little more than 80 cents. But listen, if you want to know how much it would be with that additional quantity of mark, all you have to do is add the market cap to the equation, which is simply the current market rate times the circulating supply. Recap. Real-world money flows have a multiplier impact, so thinking about what occurs when that happens is more intriguing. They are speculating, therefore, on a further $16 billion worth of XRP. Value of the market. If, however, $16 billion were to really come in, the multiplier effect would be enormous, and XRP would probably reach a new all-time high all by itself. Consequently, I feel justified in stating that requesting a new XRP all-time high is not an extremely lofty goal. It's only that certain circumstances must be met for that to materialize. When the market is doing well, Bitcoin exits the crypto markets, and XRP follows suit. This pattern holds true throughout history. However, the stock market and Bitcoin move in lockstep. Well, the window of opportunity for all of this to happen opens up when you have that happening, which we do right now. But there isn't much money in XRP, so even if you acquire that little bit, it won't amount to much. Because there is so little there, you get effects that double, triple, quadruple, etc. Indeed, you would need to consider their impact on XRP's market capitalization, which is likely to be in the hundreds of billions. As I record this, you can see that XRP is just under 29 billion. When you're this low, everything looks unattainable. Feels insurmountable until it happens all of a sudden, even if it fades away the moment you open your eyes. Since its trajectory is unpredictable, that is why I just hold the matter in my hands. When it does, your position in the asset that is moving up or down will be determined. This is why a lot of individuals fall victim to fads, they follow the crowd. Even though the prices were substantially cheaper, they were unable to get in. Even if it doesn't have much in it, this is why I'm expressing my optimism for XRP's future. That is in no way an attack against XRP. Even with large cap currencies and crypto, there is simply not enough money in the market right now. Crypto has been existing for 15 years, even as of January 2024. I suppose you could argue that Bitcoin is quite valuable, but beyond that, I have no idea. The opinion varies. You won't find much. XRP is nearly worth 29 billion. It's not out of the ordinary. Because, well, that market valuation is based on far less than $29 billion in actual funding. Therefore, seeing what takes place will be thrilling, since the stock market has been going up recently, reaching new highs on a daily basis for the S&P 500, this bodes well for the future. If it occurs in Bitcoin, it will be followed, even if not minute by minute, week by week, etc. In my opinion, XRP will continue to follow this market cycle, even if it trails slightly behind. It would be difficult to envision a world devoid of such occurrences. The exact timing is something I am completely unaware of. Tying markets is not possible. On the other hand, I am positive that it will occur if adoption rates keep rising, which is crucial to the success of XRP and all cryptocurrencies in the long run. And that takes us to the facts of this headline report: a 42% increase in XRP payments to merchants throughout the world. In 2023, XRP had a 42% surge in volume, making it one of the most popular cryptocurrency assets for BitPay payment transactions. Hey there, everyone! It's almost as if there are individuals out there that appreciate XRP for reasons other than just speculation. Slam it! DatPay, a frontrunner in the cryptocurrency payment space, has published a white paper detailing the massive amount of merchant payments completed worldwide using XRP and similar cryptocurrencies in 2023. He pointed out in the Bitcoin dip research that customers would use numerous blockchain networks to make payments at an unprecedented rate in 2023. In terms of worldwide merchant payments, XRP was among the leading cryptocurrencies. I should probably make a point of the fact that we're back to talking about BitPay. Remember how they added XRP? After the law became clear, they added it again. A clearer picture of the law surrounding XRP emerged in July. On August 4, 2023, the BitPay website displayed the headline. Now, Customers all across the globe may use BitPay to buy, sell, and spend XRP. For that reason, it's clear that there wasn't much of a chance for this to happen before then. However, its price rose sharply upon its release. Take a look at this. One crypto enthusiast reportedly sent 7,310 XRP payments to companies in 113 different industries, according to the cryptocurrency payment processor. So, a 42% rise from last year is seen once again. As a result, there are alternative cryptocurrencies that have far more Bitcoin. However, given its dominant market cap, that shouldn't come as a surprise. Also, XRP, we were screwed by the SEC, but I thought it was worth mentioning as XRP's popularity as a payment method is skyrocketing. There has been a lot of recent discussion in our community around the significance of developer involvement on any successful blockchain. I don't dispute that development activity is a key indicator to monitor, but I would want to stress once again that it is far from the sole factor that will guarantee XRP's long-term survival in the real world. Cryptocurrencies will be around for a while, though, for other reasons as well. My point is simply that it is pleasant to observe this. After that, there's the Bitcoin ETF clearance news. And the SEC alleges that hackers compromised regulators' X accounts via SIM swaps. And I have to say, this was really mind-blowing when it happened, and it remains one of my favorite crypto moments. It clearly demonstrates the SEC's stupidity. To top it all off, it's very predictable that this will occur in the cryptocurrency market. This is how piece is read. An unauthorized user gained access to the market's regulator's X social media account and posted a bogus message. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is now disclosing the specifics of the incident. The SEC has authorized all of the spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund applications, according to the misleading statement that appeared on January 9. Just minutes after that, Commissioner's Chair Gary Gensler announced that hackers had broken into the market's regulator's X account and posted a false message. These folks must be really wealthy because they had posted numerous messages over the years stressing the significance of account security on the internet. You must make sure you do this user to F8 and all that crap, and they're just educating us like, you know, they're the adults in the room. After then, something occurs. Reason being, I have been checking my competence with this. The market regulator's X account was compromised, according to the SEC. According to the SEC, the hacker changed the password for the SEC's X account after gaining control of the associated phone number. However, the SEC has not found any evidence that the unauthorized party gained access to SEC systems, data devices, or other social media accounts. The hacker used the SIM swapping technique to change the associated phone number to one that the hacker controls, giving the hacker full administrator rights. Law enforcement is presently looking into a variety of issues related to this, including how the unauthorized party managed to get the carrier to alter the SIM for the account and how they knew the linked phone number. According to the SEC, all of its social media accounts now have multi-factor authentication enabled, although it was deactivated for previous accounts at the time of the occurrence. Users are usually required to supply a minimum of 2 pieces of proof in order to log in or access a website or application, making multi-factor authentication a more secure option. They simply had an argument, you know. They're simply spreading the word about how important two-factor authentication is. It is referred to as your multi-factor authentication. However, they failed to put their words into action. All they're doing is talking. Then the hack occurred, which caused ripples in the cryptocurrency markets throughout the world. Additionally, some individuals were forced to liquidate their assets as a result of this process. As a result of their lack of skill. Let me tell you, this is just remarkable. As tragic as it is, and it truly is, that all of that transpired. Despite the fact that it caused me severe hip pain, it remains one of my favorite crypto memories. However, this exemplifies the SEC's ineptitude and is thus quite ridiculous. It's done. I empathize with those who have been taken advantage of, but I won't hold the government agency responsible if they botch their attempts to control the cryptocurrency market. Insane, isn't it? This is real? How? There are moments when I sit here and think, how is this life? Is it not entertaining for you? Financial advisors aren't my specialty. You shouldn't base your purchases or sales on my advice. It's all over today. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.